A small little tool haul here, guys. I called Mr. Joe up here. It's been over a week ago. I called him up on Tuesday. These arrived at my door on Friday, and it's the $12-piece pick set. I like them. I seen TJ H&H Country's video where he went and purchased, I do believe, the same set, and that actually reminded me that I wanted this set and forgot to call Mr. Joe and get them. And then I finally, after seeing his video, decided to look his numbers up and everything and give him a call. Like I said, I called him on a Tuesday. These arrived at the door on Friday. And I'm just now doing a video on the little mail call or tool haul here. But, I like them. I really do. They come in, you get all different types here. You got the short ones, you got the long ones. I like the handles. Pretty nice handles. Kind of a no slip handle on them, I guess. Yeah, these are pretty good. I like them. Now all I gotta do is rearrange the toolbox so I can get them in there. And that will be happening here soon. It's gonna warm up some. We had a few warm days, but not enough. So, and then a lot of things going on here. Kitchen remodel and some other stuff, so it's what's taking me a little while to get here to these. Now that I got this set, there's one more set I want to get, and I think it's a 4 or 5 piece set. I had the M-word ones. They're heavier than these. Yeah, they're heavier than these ones. Like I said, I had the M-word ones, and I gave them away like 7-8 years ago. Shoot, I can't remember. But I need to replace them. But I wanted this set for specific use, and I'm gonna get the other set as soon as I can. Like I said, I want to get the bigger set of picks. I think it's like a 4-piece, 5-piece set. For like, it's a pick set, but you know, for radiator hoses or whatever, any kind of hose or whatever you want to do with them there. And then I'm looking at a couple different ratchets to get. I need a 3/8 ratchet. I think mine's giving up on me. Yeah, it busted my knuckles. So, yeah, I think it's time to replace it. Scott don't like busted knuckles. And I'm not going to rebuild it. It's an old Craftsman. I got a snap-on ratchet, but the flex head I got is a Craftsman, and I've had it forever, and it needs replaced. It's a little longer, so I'm gonna get picks, another pick set. No, like I said, I'm looking for a couple, 1 or 2, maybe 3/8 ratchets that are a little bit longer than the snap-on one I got. It's not the long handled one, it's shorter handle. It's an old one, so I ain't worried about that one. But thought I'd throw this out there. If Mr. Joe don't mind, I'll put his information down in the bottom of the descriptions. Pretty nice guy, pretty cool guy. He's Clay's Cornwell guy, and like I said, H&H Country reminded me to get them ordered. I kept forgetting and putting off and forgetting. Finally got it done, and going to yeah, I'll throw this out there a little bit of go to hashtag Marco's Tools and check out the guys that are. Everybody's trying to promote their channels to get them more subs. They were on the edge of getting or had their everything they needed to get monetized, and then YouTube come out with this new rule and just threw everything out of whack. And Marco's trying to get everybody to help everybody out, try to get their numbers up again. YouTube did them wrong, and trying to right a wrong. And like I said, go to hashtag Marco's Tools. You can find out who everybody is on there, or he's this in on this, and you can win some tools. So with that, I'm gonna conclude this. We'll check. Yeah, I'm gonna conclude this, and then I gotta do a mail call yet. I'm gonna wait a day or two, don't make it on something else, then I'll do it. So with that, I will see y'all on the next one.